The close of 2019 brought with it a new and formidable threat to global health: COVID-19. This novel coronavirus, SARS-CoV-2, first emerged in Wuhan, China. It quickly spread, reaching pandemic status in a matter of months. The virus's origins are believed to be zoonotic, likely originating in bats. The virus's rapid spread was facilitated by its highly contagious nature. Droplet transmission became the primary mode of infection. This occurs when an infected person coughs or sneezes, expelling respiratory droplets containing the virus. These droplets can then infect others who are in close proximity. The virus's ability to survive on surfaces for varying periods also contributed to its spread. Touching contaminated surfaces and then touching one's face, particularly the nose, mouth, or eyes, became a significant risk factor. As the virus spread globally, international travel played a role in its dissemination to different countries and continents. SARS-CoV-2, like other coronaviruses, is equipped with spike proteins on its surface. These proteins act as keys, allowing the virus to bind to specific receptors on the surface of human cells. The primary target for SARS-CoV-2 is the ACE2 receptor, which is found in abundance on cells lining the respiratory tract. Once attached, the virus enters the cell, hijacking its machinery to replicate itself. This process involves using the cell's own resources to produce more virus particles. The infected cell eventually becomes overwhelmed and bursts, releasing a multitude of new viral copies into the body. This cycle of infection and replication continues, spreading the virus throughout the respiratory system and potentially to other organs. The human body mounts a defense against this viral invasion, triggering an immune response. White blood cells, including neutrophils and T cells, are deployed to fight the virus and infected cells. However, this immune response can sometimes contribute to the severity of the illness. COVID-19 presents with a wide range of symptoms and severity. Many individuals infected with the virus experience mild to moderate symptoms, often resembling those of the common cold or flu. These symptoms can include fever, cough, fatigue, muscle aches, headaches, sore throat, and loss of taste or smell. However, a significant proportion of individuals develop more severe illness. In these cases, the virus can cause pneumonia, a serious lung infection characterized by inflammation and fluid buildup in the air sacs of the lungs. And this can lead to difficulty breathing, shortness of breath, and chest pain. Severe COVID-19 cases often require hospitalization and oxygen therapy. In the most critical cases, patients may experience respiratory failure, requiring mechanical ventilation to assist with breathing. Multi-organ failure, a life-threatening condition where multiple organs begin to shut down, is also a possibility. Section 4: Healthcare systems under siege. The rapid surge in COVID-19 cases placed immense pressure on healthcare systems worldwide. Hospitals became overwhelmed with patients, leading to shortages of beds, medical staff, personal protective equipment, and critical equipment like ventilators. Healthcare workers found themselves on the front lines of the pandemic, facing long hours, emotional stress, and increased risk of infection. The shortage of PPE, including masks, gowns, and gloves, further exacerbated the challenges faced by healthcare professionals. The pandemic exposed vulnerabilities in healthcare infrastructure and highlighted the need for surge capacity and preparedness for future health emergencies. The strain on healthcare systems extended beyond COVID-19 patients, as routine medical care and procedures were often delayed or disrupted. Section 5: Combating the Invisible Enemies: Strategies for Mitigation. As the world grappled with the COVID-19 pandemic, a multifaceted approach was adopted to mitigate the virus's spread and impact. Public health measures played a crucial role in reducing transmission and protecting vulnerable populations. Hand washing emerged as a fundamental line of defense against the virus. Thorough and frequent hand washing with soap and water for at least 20 seconds was emphasized. This simple act helps to remove viral particles from the hands, preventing their transfer to the face and subsequent infection. Social distancing became a cornerstone of public health strategies. This involved maintaining physical distance from others, ideally at least 6 feet apart. Limiting gatherings, avoiding crowded places, and working from home became crucial in reducing the opportunities for virus transmission. Quarantines and isolation measures were implemented to separate infected individuals and their close contacts from the general population. These measures aimed to break the chain of transmission and prevent further spread of the virus.